Hi guys, today we will be reviewing the Rexing V1 LG dash cam. Rexing offers dash cams, trailer cams, and body cams in the United States. It offers around 16 variants in its dash cam line alone, and they vary in the features offered and the price. The dashcam model that we are going to talk about today is called V1 LG. It is a budget front and rear dashcam. The Rexing V1 LG dual recording dashcam is priced at $169.99. Though this price is okay, it is missing a lot of features that are available in other similarly priced products. Hence, we will be rating the pricing of this product a score of B. The sales package for this dashcam includes dashcam, user manual, car charger, rear camera, 20 feet micro USB cable for rear camera, and a plastic mount. The V1 LG is stylish and trendy in looks. However, it is a little bulkier than other dash cams in its price range. Size can be a problem for truckers that are looking for compact and sleek dash cam. It features an integrated microphone and a speaker. The microphone can be turned on or off as per the driver's preference. The dashcam's operating temperature ranges from 20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. We would rate the design of this dashcam a score of C. The V1 LG dashcam comes with a 3M adhesive pad and plastic mount for front camera. The 3M pad is used to stick the mount on the windshield. The front camera can then be slid down into the mount piece to be secured onto the windshield. The dashcam can be easily removed from the mount if and as required. A 3M adhesive pad is already mounted to the rear camera. It can be affixed easily by peeling off the sticker and placing it on the rear windshield. To complete the installation, connect the rear camera to the main unit using rear camera extension cable. The switch on the rear camera can switch between regular and mirrored image. We would rate the installation for the front and rear camera a score of B. When the dashcam does not detect power supply, it will automatically power off after 5 seconds. The V1 LG has a 450 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The battery is only used for saving files in emergency. The dashcam can only be powered by a 12-volt charging port. The unit cannot be charged via USB port. The device can be charged by connecting the camera via the car charger port. After connecting the car charger's jack to the charging port, plug the charger into the car cigarette lighter or a 12-volt DC power outlet to charge the battery. Rexing warns of personal injury or vehicle damage if an incompatible charger cable is used. We would rate this dashcam's power and battery a score of C. The V1 LG dashcam requires an external micro SD card for operation. It supports class 10 or higher micro SD cards with storage capacity up to 256 GB. Rexing recommends using a micro SD card with memory capacity of at least 8 GB. When the storage limit is reached on the memory card, new recordings will automatically overwrite the old footage. However, when the inbuilt G sensor detects a collision or any accidental event, the recorded video is locked. This ensures important footage is kept protected. The footage will be kept safe from being overwritten. With the video resolution set to 1080p and 720p, one can get approximately 8 hours of recordings on a 64 GB microSD card before it starts overwriting the older unlocked videos. Rexing recommends formatting the microSD card after every time the footage is transferred or at least once a month to avoid corrupting the card and ensuring enough space for recording new videos. We would rate the memory of this dashcam a score of C. The V1 LG starts recording automatically when the power is turned on. Both front and rear cameras record videos at full HD with front camera recording at 1920p by 1080p at 30 frames per second. It also employs 264 photographic compression technology. Its wide dynamic range aids in optimum performance in low light conditions. The cam features 170-degree wide-angle lens. The 170-degree 6-layer lens captures a sweeping view of the road ahead. This feature is found in very few dashcams in this price range. The WDR technology automatically adjusts the exposure to create balanced footage. The rear camera records in 720p at 30 frames per second, giving a clear, high-definition video of both ends of the road. The car number feature can be enabled to enter the vehicle's plate number for video recording. The plate number will be stamped in the recorded video. The driver can select the quality level of the images and the footage. Lower quality images take up less space on the memory card. This feature enables the image stabilizer function to reduce the blurring of captured image. Taking all of these features into consideration, we have rated the video on the V1 LG dashcam a score of B. To access the videos captured by the V1 LG, a driver will have to insert the micro SD card into a computer. In the GPS player application, a user will have to drag and drop the MOV file into the player to watch the recorded videos. These videos will be tagged with location and driving routes. If a computer does not have a video codec installed, one might not be able to play the MOV videos. And hence, we are rating the ease of accessing videos a score of C. G-sensor or the gravity sensor detects motion to capture a balanced and focused view of any accident event and saves it for evidence purposes. The inbuilt G-sensor in V1 LG acts as an accelerometer. It measures physical and gravitational forces acting on the camera itself. In an event wherein such forces are detected, the device will perform an automatic file lock. This ensures that the locked video files cannot be erased during loop recording. The footage remains on the memory card until manually deleted or the card is formatted. The recommended setting for this feature by Rexing is low. We would rate the G-sensor on V1 LG a score of B. The V1 LG supports loop recording. However, with the mode enabled, the device will continuously erase old videos as it records new ones. It only skips over the images and footage captured over a user-selected time range. Locked video files on the memory card will also be skipped and remain protected. We would rate the loop recording a score of C. A parking monitor captures activities happening around the vehicle when it is parked, in absence of driver, or when it is not in motion. The parking monitor is enabled on the V1 LG, however this feature is optional. Parking monitor in V1 LG requires hardwiring. The hardwiring kit is sold separately by Rexing. Once connected, a quick configuration is required to make sure that the parking monitor works according to the driver's preference. A driver has an option to choose between two modes, G-sensor and time-lapse. G-sensor. This mode uses the G-sensor to detect any impact. If the vehicle experiences a collision, the camera will wake up and begin to record automatically. It records and saves the next 20 seconds of activity. This video clip will be protected from being overwritten. Time-lapse. In this mode, the camera records at specific time intervals. It saves the video in a space-saving format. The G-sensor mode keeps the camera in power saver mode until any activity is detected. It is easier on the battery compared to the time-lapse mode. However, the battery will be protected by the low voltage protection built into the hardwiring kit. If the battery charge drops below 11.6 volts, the dashcam will shut down automatically. Time-lapse mode is beneficial because it captures the activity around the vehicle even when an impact isn't detected. We would rate the parking monitor on V1 LG a score of B+. The dashcam has an inbuilt GPS logger. It allows the user to mark date, time, location, and speed information on the recordings without the need for a separate accessory. This feature helps in tracking the vehicle on Google Maps. Google Maps are accessible on both iOS and Android devices, making tracking of vehicle extremely convenient. It is enabled in 9 languages: English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Italian, Russian, Chinese, and Japanese. The GPS Player software is designed to play recorded videos with GPS data and driving routes on a computer. The software is only available on a computer with Windows operating system. The playback software can be downloaded and installed from the Rexing website. We would rate the GPS logger on this device a score of B. Now let's have a look at the pros of having V1 LG dashcam. Compact and discreet design, built-in GPS logger, loop recording, ultra-wide angle lens, wide dynamic range technology, accident auto detection, night vision capabilities, and time-lapse feature. And now let's look at the cons. Bulky design, no touchscreen, footage captured in nighttime or low light is of low quality, loop recording erases the captured videos, not Wi-Fi or Bluetooth enabled, no data backup or a cloud-based storage, and no application support. The Rexing V1 LG dashcam is an affordable option given it comes with a rear camera. However, the design is bulky. The recorded videos have a risk of being overwritten in an event of loop recording or storage issues. Although GPS tagging is a great feature, the absence of a reliable storage and data backup is a major concern. The videos can only be stored on the microSD card. The data on the card can be transferred on a computer or a mobile device. Note that not all mobile phones support external memory cards or only support a memory card with a certain limit. This restricts the ease of accessing the recorded footage further. In an accidental event wherein the dashcam is damaged to a point of potentially damaging the microSD card, the driver will have no evidence of their innocence. The V1 LG can be considered for vehicles that are utilized for personal use, like cars. However, with the options available in the market, it would be wise for truckers to skip this. Considering all these factors, we would give the Rexing V1 LG dashcam a score of C.